reissued the SVR.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Yes, they did.
Northwest Central South Carolina, South Central Chesterfield County in Central South Carolina, Southeastern Kershaw County in Central South Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Goodale State Park, 7 miles northeast of Camden, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters.
Oh my.
The storm has a history of knocking down large trees. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cassett, Carolina Sandhills Wildlife Refuge, Goodale State Park, McBee, Bethune, Lucknow, Alligator Fire Station, Middendorf, Woodward Airfield, Antioch, Ashland, and Midway Elementary School. This includes Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 101 and 107.
There y'all go.
Forecast for Chesterfield and
I
surrounding
knew
areas.
it. As soon as I
Tonight,
missed it on
mostly
radio,
cloudy.
they were going to reissue it
Showers
on
and
the weather
thunderstorms
radio.
likely, mainly this evening.
All right.
Lows in the